Hello friends! Welcome back to another fun drawing adventure. Today we are going to draw an amazing owl and discover some incredible owl facts. Owls can turn their heads up to 270 degrees. They can't turn their heads all the way around, but they can look almost behind themselves without moving their bodies. Owls can fly almost silently. Their special feathers help them fly quietly so they can sneak up on prey. An owl's eyes don't move inside its head. Instead, owls move their entire head to look around. Some owls have one ear higher than the other. This helps them find sounds and locate prey, even in the dark. Baby owls are called owlets. Owlets are fluffy and adorable before they grow their adult feathers. Owls can see very well at night. Their large eyes help them spot tiny animals in the darkness.